Hello, Darin Martineau here from Master Magic University. And please like, subscribe to the channel, and welcome to Master Magic University again. Welcome back. And in this video, I'm going to perform a tribute to my mentor, Alan Ackerman. This is what I call Spectator Cuts Quadruple. It was inspired from my mentor, Alan Ackerman's Spectator Cuts Triple from his book, Las Vegas Cardma. So if you're watching, Alan, this is a tribute to you. So I'm going to take a pack of cards, and I'm going to give it a shuffle here. We're going to mix it up. Okay, we'll mix it up real good. And what we're going to do here is we're going to give the cards some cuts again. Okay, and what I'm going to do is deal the cards out into 4 piles like this. Okay, randomly. Now, as I go through the pack like this, I'm going to have someone call out stop. Since there's no one here, we'll just pretend that they said stop right about there. Now, they could say stop anywhere. It doesn't matter. But what's going to happen here is I'm going to show that there's no aces on top. So a good magician can find the aces and cut right to them. There's none on top or bottom. There's no crimps. There's no breaks. There's no nothing. I'll show my sleeves rolled up. Now watch the first ace, the ace of diamonds. Very magical. The next ace, we give it a couple of cuts. Ace of clubs. Amazing. Next one, we show there's no cuts, no breaks, no nothing. And I'm going to cut right to the ace of hearts, just like that. And then last but not least, no cuts, no breaks. I'm going to cut right to the ace of spades. Now, what I'm going to do here is take the 4 aces. That's the spade, diamond, club, and heart. And I'm going to show you something amazing with these 4 aces. The ace of love, the ace of luck or puppy dog feet, ace of diamonds, a girl's best friend, and the ace of spades. Okay. Now we're going to place those aces there, and the final ace is the ace of spades, and that one's the most difficult because you're watching the ace of spade right before your eyes and setting it down. But see, this looks like when a magician does something and they don't actually do it. Because see, if we go back in time, then look what we can have here. We have the ace of spades comes right back. Isn't that amazing? Now, there's the ace of spades, single and up to itself. And over here we have the 10 of clubs, okay, on top, and a 5 of hearts on the bottom. So there's nothing near it. But watch what I'm going to do. I'll do the magic. I'm just going to gather the essence of the aces. I'm going to toss them in the air. They're actually flying invisibly in the air. And I'm going to catch them right here in this hand like this. I'm going to toss them up, and they're going to come right back just like that. 4 aces, amazing. Thank you. Now, we'll set those down. What's more amazing, if I snap my fingers again over the packets, the sleeves rolled up, I get the 4 kings, a 4-king good trick. All right, now we're going to take the 4 kings, we're going to set them down. If I snap them again like this, watch what happens. You could have said stop anywhere. Look, you said stop on the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 jacks. Now we'll have an invisible spectator help me out. Thank you very much, invisible hand. We'll take the invisible hand here, take the jack of clubs here, and we'll put that on the invisible hand right there. Okay. We take the jack of diamonds, put it on this person's hand. Take the jack of spades, put that on this person's hand, and final, last but not least, the jack o' hearts right on your hand, just like that. Don't let it go anywhere, because you never want to play cards with a magician, because look, right over here, we can magically change those into the 4 queens. Absolutely amazing. We have the aces, the kings, the queens, and the 4 jacks. Just like that. That's called Spectator Cuts Quadruple. I hope you like that. Thank you very much, and enjoy the magic. If you'd like to join Master Magic University, which is my online magic membership site of exclusive magic, click on the link and join. The Master Magic level is only $5.99. You can get hundreds of magic videos and magic books in there. I'm constantly upgrading that. For the elite level, we have the Master Magic University Elite level, and that is only $20 a month. You get access to everything, over 270 products, thousands of magic videos, hundreds of magic books, the classics of magic, and much more. So thank you very much. Smash the like button and please subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to get my free Master Magic course, click on the link below, put in your name and email, and I will send you my free Master Magic course and free magic video tutorials as well. Thank you very much, and keep it surreal.